Does your grind size seem off for the settings you selected? Or maybe the grind looks the same across multiple settings? That could mean there's an issue with your burr holder. Hi, I'm Gray from Baratza Support to help you troubleshoot this issue. In this video, I'll show you how to evaluate and replace the upper burr holder on your Baratza Encore ESP grinder. For this procedure, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, microfiber cloth, and a new Encore ESP burr holder. The burr holder has 3 small tabs that keep the upper and lower burrs aligned as you adjust your grind setting. If too much pressure builds up, these tabs can break. That's actually by design. The burr holder is meant to give way first to protect the more expensive parts of the grinder, and it's easy to replace. Common causes of burr holder damage include clogs, very hard or under-roasted beans, or foreign objects that sometimes make their way into coffee. Since it's an agricultural product, things like small stones or sticks can occasionally slip through. Let's start by evaluating the burr holder condition. First, make sure that your grinder is unplugged before beginning any maintenance. Turn the hopper counterclockwise past the 40 mark to lift it off. Next, lift and remove the black silicone gasket. Set this aside. Now remove the ring burr and holder from the grinder. Hold it upright. Use your fingers to slowly rotate the burr holder. You should notice 3 tabs. Check around the sides of the burr holder for any cracks or broken pieces. If any tabs are missing, cracked, or partially broken, the burr holder will need to be replaced. To separate the burr from the holder, turn it upside down on a towel to preserve your counter. Then use a flathead screwdriver to gently push sideways on one of the retaining tabs. You can repeat this on the second tab. Once the tabs are pushed back, the burr can be removed freely. To install the new burr holder, place it face down on a towel. Position the metal ring burr so the rounded edges of the metal ring burr are lined up. Then squeeze firmly until the retaining clips snap into place. To reinstall the burr holder, first make sure the adjustment ring is rotated all the way counterclockwise. The red tab on the burr holder should face the front of the grinder and line up with the red mark on the adjustment ring at the 5 o'clock position. This ensures proper alignment. Place the burr holder into place by gently wiggling it down until it settles into place. Reseat the silicone gasket so the thick side is pointed down. It will sit inside the ring burr holder. Then add your hopper so the silver line on the hopper lines up with the arrow on the grinder neck. Push down slightly and twist the hopper to a sub 40 setting. Consistent cleaning, avoiding bulk grinding, and buying fresh coffee ensures consistent performance and protects it from damage. For further troubleshooting, reach out to Baratza Support. Thanks for watching. Happy grinding!